This is the music of Plymouth Classic Boat Rally 2016. I thank you all.
I keep on going back. She makes me suffer. She's got my measure, don't know how to stop her. No competition, never be another. She gives me trouble, but I keep on going back. She answers all my questions, listens to my woes. I want her, 'cause I need her, 'cause it was meant to be. I want everyone to know music is the girl I love. Every day and night she's on my mind. Music is the girl I love. Every day, every night. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm like a Lamborghini locked to the garage. My disposition is a lifelong marriage. She gives me trouble, but I keep on going back. She keeps on giving, so I forgive and I forget the problems. No hesitation is the road I follow. She gives me trouble, but I keep on going back. She answers all my questions and listens to my woes. I want her, 'cause I need her, and I want her to be, 'cause I want everyone to know music is the girl I love. Every day and night she's on my mind. Music is the girl I love. Every day, every night. Whoa, 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 whoa. Music is the girl I love. Music, music, music is the girl I love. Music, music, music is the girl I love. Music, music, music is the girl. Music is the girl I love. Every day and night she's on my mind. Music is the girl I love. Every day, every night. Whoa, 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 whoa. Walk on stone, it leads me home. We don't have streets, no, just pure concrete. I'm not glad when I get home. I'm sad already. I don't wanna be alone no more. Wider in the face, my feet begin to shake. I go upstairs to that heavenly place. I'm not glad when I get home. I'm sad already. Let me tell you, I don't want to be alone no more. Sad old red, sad at home, sad old red, living on his own. Sad old red, sad at home, sad old red, let me take you home. Sad old red, sad at home, sad old red, living on his own. Sad old red, sad at home, sad old red, let me take you home. Thank you very much. We're called Sunny Side Up, and that song was Sad Old Red by Simply Red. As long as writing some of our own stuff, such as this next one, which is one of our own songs called Slow Down, which is currently available on iTunes. It's a famous plug there, Spotify and everywhere else pretty much. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You must have heard that Rome was built in a day, but it could be built in just 1 hour if you had your way. So what you run? We've only just met. You act as if we are crossing the line when we ain't at the starting blocks yet. Slow down, slow down, too fast. Slow it down, 'cause you're way too fast. Slow down, I can't keep up with you. I'm in boots and you're in your running shoes. You say boats, he ain't got zip on you. Slow it down. Just like the road, you can't stop love. Let's get to know one another first before the guys make all of that stuff. Slow you fast, love. So girl, put brakes on the ace. When it comes to love that will stand forever, slow and steady wins the race. Slow down, slow down, too fast. Slow it down, 'cause you're way too fast. Slow down, I can't keep up with you. I'm in boots and you're in your running shoes. You sing both, he ain't got zip on you. Slow it down, 'cause you're way too fast. Slow down, I can't keep up with you. I'm in boots, you're in your running shoes. You sing both, he ain't got zip on you. Slow it down, 'cause you're way too fast. Slow down, I can't, baby, please slow it down. You're in, baby, let's drop singing. Let's got ways for me to slow it down, 'cause you're way too fast. Slow down, I can't keep up with you. I'm in boots, you're in your running shoes. You sing both, you ain't got sing for me. Slow it down, slow down. There's another one we wrote not so long ago. It's going to be on our EP with Michael Fish, and this one's called Feeling Fine. Tripping on this life fantastic moment in time, drinking in the silky air of this Caribbean night, chorus of the ocean and a million tiny frogs, as you stand there in that red dress and you're smiling, yeah, yeah. ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. I feel fine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Feeling fine. You there beside me, splashing in the water's edge, walking hand in hand. So close, your silken touch, no words so inside. Stars put on the light, shown in their heavenly expanse. When you reach across and kiss me, makes me feel so right, yeah. Do-da-ba-ba-ba-ba, and I feel fine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Feeling fine. No, I just can't hide it. It's fine with me, the privilege of being called your man. It's fine, we got this good thing going, I won't let you down. Feels good to be so close to you in this magical place and time. So proud of you, wanna tell the world that you're really mine. Just sleeping soundly, I'm watching while you sleep. Tea, tranquility, and the rhythm that you bring. Early morning sunlight turns your hair to purest gold. When you open up your eyes to meet me, I know I'm not alone. No, no, no. Do-da-ba-ba-ba-ba, and I feel fine. It's an Simply Red one. I think probably the best album they ever did, Stars. It's one you probably know. It's a lovely one song called For Your Babies. Yeah, put you up. You've got that look again. Your face is just beaming. You smile, you boast in my trust. Many ways the four winds that blow. Gotta send me sailing home to you, or I'll fly with the force of a rainbow. Dream of gold will be waiting here in your life. No, I do most anything you want. Hey, now try to give you everything you need. You see that it gives to you. Don't believe in anything but you. her faith is amazing. The pain she goes through contains the whole thing. The whole world has changed. It's for some more cloudy and blue. In many ways your baby's controlling. When you haven't laid down the day, fall apart, no time to be thinking. They're too busy finding ways, and I know I do most anything you want every day, and I try to give you everything you need. I'll always be there for you. Don't believe in anything but you. I do. Hey, and you know I do most anything you want every day, and I try to give you everything you need. I'll always be there for you. Don't believe in many things but you. Don't believe in many things but you. I don't believe in many things but you. I do. Here I go, I'm still scratching around in the same old Right, we're going to try something we haven't tried before, which is a new one to us today. We hope this will come out right. It's called King of the Dream, and it's by an artist called Native. Terrific song. Tell my people I won't be coming home. I'll be walking in the streets tonight, shaking hands with everybody that I meet. King had a dream, now it's my life. King had a dream, now it's my life. So a man started running. He ran so fast, he began to fly. Across America and over the world. He can do it, so can I. Children will say, so can I. Singing, yes I am. Singing, I am a man. Know that I am. As the king had a dream, now I know I can. Dancing in the streets tonight. Tell your people they can all come along. There's gonna be a party in the streets tonight. Don't you worry about no Babylon. They'll be switching off their guns and their Elvis pipes. We'll be singing freedom songs to the early morning light. So come and join us in the night. King had a dream, now it's my life. Singing, yes I am. Singing, I am a man. Know that I am. 'Cause the king had a dream, now I know I can. I've seen over the mountaintops, yes I have. The king had a dream, now I know I can.
Thanks to the music makers. Also thanks to the Plymouth Classic Boat organisers. This has been a Chris Summerfield Media Production 2016. You can contact me through ccsmoto12@hotmail.com, and also if you can help me, sponsor me through christophersummerfield@gmail.com. That's on PayPal.